Selecting a Microsoft 365 subscription is daunting. So in this lesson, I will give you tips and tricks on finding the right Microsoft 365 subscription. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. A tenant is a term used for a Microsoft 365 organization. It's a dedicated instance of a Microsoft 365 service that an organization receives and owns when it creates a relationship with Microsoft. In this lesson, we will learn about what are the Microsoft 365 components, what are the different types of subscriptions you can purchase within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, and how can you plan a migration to Microsoft 365 environment. One of your first actions when planning for Microsoft 365 is examining the available subscriptions and determining which one best satisfies your organization's requirements. Choosing the right subscription ensures that users have access to the necessary features and services. These are some of the most popular Microsoft 365 services. Let me quickly show you how you can find these online. There are two types of plans you can buy, one for personal, another one for business. We'll be focusing more on business on this entire session. If you look at the personal plan, you have two options. One, you can buy for your entire family, which will include licenses for more than one person. And the second one is an individual license, which gets you all of these premium tools which mentioned over here, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, your Exchange Online. You have your own teams, and now Microsoft have introduced something new called Editor as well. And you can use this plan to use it on any of your devices, which include your desktop, laptop, tablets, and phones. And Microsoft support these softwares on three different platforms, including Windows, Mac, and Android. Let's look at the business plans. As you can see, there are four different business plan itself available here. Choosing the right subscription ensures that users have access to the necessary features and services. And these plans comes in different price brackets. The difference of the price means the features what you get with each plan. So if you choose a subscription that offers more than you need, you end up paying for services and features that you never use. Conversely, if you choose a subscription based solely on price, it may not have the features and services that meet your organization's requirement. So to prepare for your Microsoft 365 project, you must become familiar with the functionality and subscriptions provided by each Microsoft 365 plan. Primarily, you have to understand three important subscriptions in the Microsoft 365 family: business, enterprise, and education. So let me help you understand what is Microsoft 365 business and what are the things involved in the Microsoft 365 business portfolio. Microsoft 365 business subscriptions target small and medium sized organizations that need a cloud collaboration solution and have up to 300 users. Please be mindful that there is a subscription limit of 300 users when you purchase a Microsoft 365 business license. Within Microsoft 365 business, there are four Microsoft 365 business subscription. The first one is known as Microsoft 365 Apps for Business. This was formerly known as Office 365 Business. You will get desktop versions of Office applications like Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, plus Access and Publisher for your PC only. This will let you store and share files with 1 terabyte of OneDrive cloud storage per user. You can use one license to cover fully installed Office application on 5 mobile devices, 5 tablets, and 5 PCs or Mac per user. And you can automatically update your application with new features and capabilities every month. The second one is Microsoft 365 Business Basic. This used to be formerly known as Office 365 Business Essentials. With this plan, you will be able to host email with a 50 GB mailbox and you can create custom email domain address. Then you can create a hub for teamwork to connect your teams with Microsoft Teams. This plan lets you access web version of Office apps which include Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint and OneNote, and access and publisher just for PCs only. And you can host online meetings and video conferencing up to 250 users. The third plan is Microsoft 365 Business Standard. This used to be known as Office 365 Business Premium. With this plan, you get desktop version of Office apps, which include Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Access and Publisher only for PCs. Again, with this plan let you host email with 50 GB of mailbox, and you have an ability to have custom email domain as well. This plan comes with Teams so you can create your own teamwork hub. Again, for users, you can use 1 TB for your OneDrive and one user license of Microsoft 365 Business Standard lets you fully install Office apps on 5 mobile devices, 5 tablets, and 5 PCs or Mac per user. The fourth plan is Microsoft 365 Business Premium. This used to be known as Microsoft 365 Business. This is one of the most popular plan and one which I usually recommend for many of my customers. You can stay up to date with the latest version of Word, Excel, PowerPoint and more, and you can connect with customers and coworkers using your Outlook, Exchange and Teams. OneDrive will give you an ability to store up to 1 terabytes for each users, and you can defend your business against advanced cyber threats with sophisticated phishing and ransomware protection, because this plan comes with a lot of additional security components and features. And you can control access to sensitive information using encryption to help keep data from being accidentally shared. Now let's look into Microsoft 365 Enterprise Plan. Microsoft 365 Enterprise subscriptions target medium-sized and enterprise organization that needs a cloud collaboration solution, compliance tools, a corporate social networking tool, an intranet site and web conferencing. These companies needs the ability to include an unlimited number of users. As I mentioned before, business plans have a limitation of 300 users per subscription or per plan. These enterprise plans don't have any user limit. There are 4 Microsoft 365 enterprise subscription. Let us learn one by one. The first one is Office 365 E3. Then we have Office 365 E5 and Office 365 F3. First, let me talk about what are the similarities between these three products. All of these plans include online versions of Office such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and cloud file storage and sharing capabilities with 1 TB storage per user. They all include email with 100 GB mailbox per user, unlimited instant messaging and HD video conferencing, intranet sites, a corporate social network that is known as Yammer, Office Graph, a corporate video portal that is known as Stream, and a meeting broadcast for up to 10,000 users. Now let me explain what are the differences between these three plans. Office 365 E3 includes business services such as email, file storage and sharing, Office for web, meetings and IM, and more, plus the ability to install Office applications locally. It also includes application enterprise management, self-service business intelligence, and compliance tools such as archiving and legal hold. Then you get rights management, data loss prevention, and email and file encryption. Let us look into the differences of Office 365 E5. E5 include all the features of E3 subscription plus advanced security analytic tools, public switched telephone network or PSTN conferencing, and Cloud PBX, which is known as Private Branch Exchange for cloud-based call management. And finally, let's look into the differences of Office 365 F3, which is formerly known as F1. This plan is designed for first line workers. This doesn't include a license to install Office applications locally because it's a cloud based subscription that only provides access to online version of Office. And there is one more plan within the enterprise portfolio is called Microsoft 365 Apps for Enterprise. This used to be formerly known as Office 365 Pro Plus. This includes online versions of Office, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and cloud file storage and capabilities such as 1 TB storage per user. Additionally, Microsoft 365 Apps for Enterprise also includes the option to fully install Office applications locally. It also provides enterprise app management and self-service business intelligence capabilities. Another important plan or a suite we need to understand is enterprise mobility and security. The enterprise mobility and security suite is an add-on service that can be added to the Office 365 E3 and E5 subscriptions. This service provides organizations with other options to protect against known device intrusions, malware threats, and other identity protections. When an enterprise mobility and security suite is added to a Microsoft 365 E5 subscription, Cloud App Security and Azure Advanced Threat Protection, which is known as ATP, will also be included. The enterprise mobility and security suite components are examined in greater detail in the upcoming lessons. The next licensing plan we need to understand from Microsoft is Microsoft 365 Education. Microsoft 365 offers subscriptions for education, non-profit, and government institutions and home users as well. Microsoft 365 offers free subscription plans for education. Educational institutions can apply for the Office 365 education subscription, which provides cloud productivity and collaboration solutions for students and teachers. Office 365 education includes online versions of Office, including Word, OneNote, Excel, and PowerPoint. This also includes cloud file storage such as OneDrive and sharing capabilities with 1 TB of storage per user. Microsoft 365 Education also includes emails with a 50 GB mailbox per user. This also comes with instant messaging and Skype connectivity. Schools can use team sites, school video portals, online classes with audio and HD video conferencing. This plan also includes Yammer for school social network and compliance tools. Exchange Online provides the email and Skype for Business Online provides the instant messaging and HD video conferencing. Alright, so that concludes lesson 2. In the next lesson, we're going to learn about determining the best Microsoft 365 subscription. I will see you on the next one. Until then, take care.